This last video, we're going to be talking about writing the equation of line of best fit given the graph. So this problem says that Chang wants to know if he is improving his skill on the cello. He created a scatter plot and drew a line of best fit. If he uses the points 2, 8, and 5, 1.5 from his line, which equation would best represent the line of best fit? So I'm going to show you two different ways that you can go about this problem. The first one is we can do exactly what we did in 4.1 when we were creating equations given 2 points. So I'm going to find the slope first between 2, 8 and 5, 1.5. So again, my slope is equal to the change in y over the change in x. So first I'm going to see, okay, how do I get from 8 to 1.5? Well, that's kind of hard to tell. So you can always take that second number and subtract the top number. And so when I do 1.5 minus 8, I get negative 6.5. So that's going to be my top. And then on the bottom, I need to do my change in x. So how do I get from 2 to 5? Well, I can take that bottom number, 5, subtract the top, and I get that that is equal to 3. And so when I divide negative 6.5 by 3, I get negative 2.17. So automatically I can cross out C and I can cross out B because they don't have the negative 2.7 as their slope. Okay, and then now I need to figure out what my y-intercept is. So my options are either 12.3 or negative 9.35. So instead of plugging in like we did in 4.1 to find it, I can actually look at my graph because I'm given it. My y-intercept is wherever it crosses the y-axis. So if I were to extend this line, I see it crosses somewhere over there. So is that going to be at negative 9.35 or 12.3? Well, it's definitely not at negative. So that leaves me with problem A. So that's one way you can do it. Another way is you can go ahead and use Desmos. So I have 2 points that are given to me here. So if I go over Desmos and I create a table, I can go ahead and put those points in. So that's 2, 8, 5, 1.5. And then I can go ahead and find my line of best fit. So again, from last week, that is y1, that tilde sign, mx1 plus b. And then it gives me my slope and y-intercept here. So I see my slope, just like what we found, was about negative 2.17, and my b was about 12.3. So that's another way that you can do that. Okay, and then for part B, it says to use the equation of the line of best fit, predict how many mistakes are played if Chang practiced for 3 hours. So I see I'm given that it's 3 hours, so is that my x or my y? So looking at here, I see time practicing in hours is my x, so I have that x is equal to 3. And now I'm going to actually use this equation up here to find how many mistakes are played then. So doing that, I have y equals negative 2.17 times x, which is 3, plus 12.3. Well, negative 2.17 times 3, I get negative 6.51. And then when I add those two numbers together, I get 5.79. So that means he made almost 6 mistakes. So I can't have 5.79 mistakes, so that's why I said almost 6 mistakes. Okay, that is it for today. If you want to look at some more examples, those are linked below. Otherwise, you can go ahead and get started on the homework. If you ever have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I hope you have a great day.